Hi everybody, it's me. And you could see right now, I'm mostly in my kitchen, but I'm just going to show you guys this. I just made this like a day. This is like mostly a day old. I just made myself homemade vanilla extract. It takes like about 2 months to to make it like dark. Right now it's like going to be, now it's light. Right now it's light, but in like 2 months going on 3, it's gonna be like dark. Is vanilla's extract good for like to make homemade brownies or homemade cookies, cakes, whatever you want. Yes, my popcorn business got expand to brownies. I'm making brownies, sandy brownies now, and you could see the day at the date I just did. Yes, it's a day old, but mostly if you see the color is light, like light brown, more or less light brown, but it takes about 3 months. It's mostly easy. You could make it yourself. You need 3 things: a bottle. Well, depends how big a bottle you want to do. 4 ounce up to 16 ounce or so. It's up to you. But the only 3 things you need is mostly simple. Is a bottle, vanilla beans, Rayo and Pony, the strips, and a vodka. And I recommend like, well, you know the color vodka, but vodka, and you could buy the vanilla strips, bean strips, in bulk on. I got mine online on Amazon, but I don't know where exactly you want to purchase them. But I uh, I recommend try Amazon. It is by bulk. It starts from I think 12 up to like 20, but yeah, just get that cut it in half with an with a knife, put it in bottle and fill it up with a vodka like less than to the top. But yeah, okay, see you guys later.